So earlier on, we said type 1 hypervisor. The hypervisor, or the software that helps you to do virtualization, is installed directly on your hardware. So there's no operating system. You don't need Windows. So even if you have Windows, you can delete it and then you deal with, or you don't have to delete it. You can create another, you do a new boot. You can do what we call the dual boot on your system, which is fine. But we're just saying that you have direct access to the hardware and no other operating system is working on that. But when we come to type 2 hypervisor setting or type 2 hypervisors, what happens is that this is just like your computer at home. And this is exactly what we're going to be demonstrating in this session. So you buy your computer, there's a Windows on there. For those using Mac, there's a Mac OS on there. And then this is your operating system. That is this layer. So again, you have your hardware components, your hard disk, you have your RAM, which is your memory, and you have your NIC, which is your network interface card. But with type 2, like I said, because of your operating system, you have to install your hypervisor just like the way you would install any software you download. So you install it inside your operating system, and then from there, you go in there and then you create your virtual machines. And this is something that we're going to be demonstrating. But the difference between the first one and the second one is that with the first one, once you turn on your computer, once you turn on your virtual machine, it has direct access to this one. So basically, it's going to be like this. You have different virtual machines. You go on there, you turn your computer on, and then once you go click on it, it opens that you're able to get access to it directly. But with the type 2, what we're saying is that once you turn on your computer, which we're going to see, the first thing you do is that you go to your hypervisor, because your computer turns on, your operating system boots, and then you click on your hypervisor. You're going to be using VirtualBox. And then in VirtualBox, there you create your virtual machine, or you do that. So there's a lot of abstraction before we get to creating our virtual machine or using our virtual machine. So it's, again, type 2 is used for your development environment mostly, but sometimes you see them in other environments. So we'll see all these things as we go along.